While there are plenty of success stories with people using the law of attraction, it is very common that most people make mistakes using the law of attraction, and doesn't truly understand how the law of attraction works. Most find that, when using the law of attraction, things aren't changing in the circumstances. One thing they have to consider is, are their expectations reasonable? Are they putting their part into action, or what they're asking will affect someone else in an adverse way? The idea of the law of attraction is to make one whole. If what you ask will affect someone else in a negative way, then most likely it will not manifest. The law of attraction only deals with positive energy. When using the law of attraction, it should only pertain to that individual. The law of attraction works in divine order, that is, governed by other laws of the universe. Look at it as a checkpoint of passing each green light into manifestation. Your manifestation will greatly depend upon the energy you bring. Never say, "Oh well," or "it's not going to happen." It just pushes your manifestation further down the road. Upon asking, it's very important that you are willing and ready to receive, without any doubts or fear. You must be openly and willingly ready to receive your manifestation of abundance and prosperity, although it's not present in reality at that time. You must have faith that you are going to receive it. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. All this is saying to you, it's imperative that you must believe it in your heart. We all know, life can be frustrating at times. Let's face it, we don't live in a perfect world. Remember to try to keep a positive attitude. Don't let other people cause you circumstances, and when life catches you on the blind side, remember, this is your chance to evaluate the situation, challenge your thinking, and move on to new territory. Don't look back in the past, only learn from it. Think of the things you would like to do, and things you've always dreamed of having in your life. Focus on those things, keeping a positive attitude and an open mind towards it. With the law of attraction, it's possible you can adventure out into new things you've always dreamed of doing. Believe that your manifestation will come, creating a path to your wealth and prosperity. Everything starts with you, and, in your mind of thinking, believing and doing. The doors will open for you, only if you just believe. Say this simple prayer: by the power invested in me, I am strong. I am is the divine power that's inside of you. Whatever you put I am with, the universe has to begin the process of putting it into action. It's one of the universal laws and divine promise of asking and receiving from the Creator. Let's take the reference from the text: ask, and it will be given to you; seek, and you will find; knock, and it will be open to you. When you see yourself living in abundance, then you will attract it to you. Do these simple things to make sure your manifestation is on its way. 1. Be grateful for the things you are about to receive. 2. Tune out any negative energy. 3. Connect with your inner, divine power, to give you new and creative ideas, to guide you on your journey to wealth and prosperity. 4. Ask with confidence the things you seek. 5. Ask for signs your manifestation is on its way. 6. Continue to visualize what you are asking. 7. Leave worry, doubt and fear behind. These things will lower your vibrational energy. 8. Be patient, it's on the way. It is worth the time and effort to put into action the law of attraction, to guide you on your spiritual and personal journey of having the abundance and wealth you deserve. Like and subscribe to Sparkle TV, Secret Law of Attraction. Hit the notification bell, and never miss a new video upload. Thank you for watching.